Mayeni was complaining on Uthando Nestembu season 1 or season 2. Musamseleku and Makumalo, they can plan things privately without involving other wives. So Musamseleku have a ceremony. So he want to buy some of the things. Musamseleku and Makumalo, they were planning to buy groceries. Mayeni called a meeting. Why Musamseleku doesn't want to involve other wives, he can plan things with Makumalo. It was a problem to Mayeni since they got married because Msamseleku, every time he was doing his things, he can plan with Makumalo because Makumalo, she was looking more intelligent than other wives. Macele was not staying in Muzumbe, so with Makumalo, it was very easy because Makumalo was staying in Muzumbe. That's why Mayeni was complaining, why you don't want to involve us? We are your wives. But when you are planning your things, you plan with Makumalo privately. Makumalo denied. Musamseleku was trying to say his words to Mayeni that it's not like I was trying to do things with Makumalo. There is someone Musamseleku told to buy those groceries. Musamseleku's wives at end of the month, they can buy groceries for themselves, but not for Musamseleku. For Musamseleku, there was someone who can go to the shops and buy groceries. But it looks like Makumalo, she was buying groceries from Musamseleku privately, what I saw. That's why Mayeni was complaining, why you don't want to involve us as your wives, you involve Makumalo only. Thus the fight starts, and Mayeni, she can't hide, she can't pretend like that. Musamseleku sometimes have to listen to Mayeni. Even Mayeni sometimes have to be active. Why Musamseleku choose Makumalo, choose to plan things with Makumalo, not here? Because Mayeni is older than Makumalo. Mayeni married to Musamseleku before Makumalo. But it was looking like maybe Makumalo is Musamseleku's second wife. Mayeni is the third wife. Because when he wants to plan things, he can tell Makumalo, didn't tell Mayeni in Mangwawe. Yes, Macele was not staying in Muzumbe. Maybe when Macele was staying in Muzumbe, Macele can take the position. That's why they were fighting with Makumalo. She was fighting with other wives about that issue. Why my husband is planning things, can tell you, doesn't tell other wives. That's the issue with Mayeni. Mayeni have to fix, because sometimes maybe it's about Musamseleku, so that when he want to plan things with Makumalo have a good choice. She knows how to choose things, and Makumalo is very fast to do her own things. Even they have got something, an invent in Muzumbe. Musamseleku have an invent. Makumalo have knows how to choose things. Look at here, Umembeso. Makumalo's Umembeso was looking beautiful. Musamseleku didn't spend his money because he knows Makumalo, she knows how to do her own things than other wives. Mayeni have to look even her house. Everything she can wait Musamseleku to do for her. You understand? Even it's a window or that window is broken, Mayeni can't fix with her own money. She can wait for Musamseleku to fix a window for her. Mayeni can't do things for herself. How she can do for Musamseleku? That's why Musamseleku all the times when she want to plan things, she can plan with Makumalo. Makumalo, even you look at her home in Muzumbe, was looking very beautiful because Musamseleku knows that Makumalo can fix things for herself. She can't wait for a man to do for her. But look at Mayeni's house in Muzumbe. Even Mangwawe's house was not beautiful like Makumalo. Makumalo was doing her things by her own self. You understand? That's why Musamseleku was complaining why Makumalo live in Muzumbe, because it's not like there before when they are staying together. They plan things together. That's why Mayeni, she was very angry. Why you don't involve us? Mangwabe doesn't have a pressure. But Mayeni at other side, she can't do for herself, even to do things for herself. But she was complaining why Musa Mseleku is planning things with Makhumalo.